Hi viewers, Easy Physics, video number 4. Today I would like to explain you about the more important concept, that is conversion of measurements. It is very important both in mathematics as well as the physics. Of course, in physics, the units are very important as well as the numerical values. So suppose 5, if you write centimeters, it speaks about the length. 5 grams, it speaks about the mass. So 5 seconds, it speaks about the time. So there are CGS, MKS and SI systems are there to measure the physical quantities. The first of all, you know about the CGS, centimeter, gram second, meter, kilogram second, and SI system is nothing but the expansion of the MKS system. Now I would like to explain the conversion either CGS into MKS or MKS into CGS. That is the higher values into lower values and lower values into higher values. For this, we required a simple table and basic on the which measurement physical quantity you are going to measure. It means that gram, liter or meter, whatever it may be that. You take it as a basic word. Now let us start with the uh, actually the prefix words deca, deci. Decagram means you have to rise the gram 10 times. Decaliter means you have to rise the liter for 10 times. Decameter means you have to rise the meter for 10 times. Deci means 1 by 10th. So deca means multiple with the 10. Deci means you have to divide with the 10. So decigram means you have to take the gram and make it into the 10 parts, and one part you have to take. So deciliter, similarly, you have to make the liter into 10 parts and one part of the liter is called as the deci. And meter, decimeter means 1/10 of the meter. So similarly, hectare, it is 100 times. Kilo, it is 1000 times. Similarly, centi and milli. Centi means 1 by 10 100 and milli means 1 by 1000. So understand this prefix words kilo. Wherever the kilo is there, if it is a kilogram means kilogram. Take gram and multiply with the 1000, it will become kilo. Centigram, centimeter, like otherwise you can take centimeter. It means that the meter is there. It's making centi means 1 by 100. So meter by 100 will become the centimeter. Millimeter, milliliter. So take the liter, milli means 1 by 1000 times. So liter by 1000 is called as the milliliter. So this is the reducing values and these are the increasing values. Now we have to convert either kilo into deci or deci into kilo or the gram into milli, milli into gram or liter, whatever it may be that. So sir, it's so easy to convert the values, that is units. So let me explain that part of the conversion. Suppose 5 kilograms are given and he has asked how many decigrams are there or how many centigrams are there, how many milligrams are there, or rather how many grams are there. So first of all, what is the value it is given? 5 kilograms. So it is given kilo. So keep it 5 here. Now if you want up to the deci, keep it 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 50,000. If you want milli, 0, sorry, centi, another 0, 5 lakh. If it is milli, 50 lakh. Simple. You keep it 5 and which extent to you have to convert, that up to you keep zeros and you can make it that. If you want grams, so it doesn't require these zeros because here itself the gram is there. So this is 5000. It means that 5 kilograms is 5 grams equal to 5 grams, and 5 kilograms is equal to 50,000 decigrams, and 5 lakh centigrams, and 50 lakh milligrams. So this is the way you have to convert higher value to lower value. I will give another example also. Let me explain more clearly for the conversion. Suppose it is given 55 kilograms, sorry, 55 grams, and you are supposed to change into the centigrams. So grams is given, you keep 55. So you are supposed to convert to centigrams, means deci 0 and centi 0. So 5500 centigrams. So this is the way you can convert higher value to the lower value. Of course, it's very easy to understand and easy to convert also. But the problem is when you are converting lower level to higher level, that you have to listen carefully and observe the values how we have to convert. Suppose it is given that you are supposed to convert 5 grams into kilograms, or rather 5 meters into kilometers. So first of all, where it is 5 grams, so keep it 5. So it is has to be converted into the kilograms. So put kilograms as the decimal. Now keep zeros, 0, 0. It means that 5 kilograms, 5 grams can be converted into the 0.005 kilograms. I will explain with another example. For example, centimeter is given. 75 centimeters are given. So you are supposed to write 75 centimeters. Actually, you have to write only one digit here. If it is more than that, you have to keep it in the higher values. So first of all, I would like to write 75 centimeters. You are supposed to convert into the kilometers. How many kilometers are in 75 centimeters, or convert 75 centimeters into the kilometer? So 75 centimeters means this is the first unit 5, so keep it at centimeter. 7 has to be kept at the decimeter because it is the increasing value 75. Now you have to convert kilometer, so keep it kilo decimal 0, 0, 0. Already 7 is there, so you are not supposed to keep it 0. If it 7 is not there, you have to keep it 07, 05. So now it is 0.00075 kilometers. I would like to make it another example more clearly. So let us see that. For example, you would like to convert 5 centimeters or 15 centimeters or 215 centimeters, because you have to understand more clearly. 215 centimeters into meters. 215 centimeters into meters. So start with the centimeter 5. 1 has to be kept at the decimeter, and 2 has to kept at the meters. And you are supposed to convert from meters, so keep the decimal 2 after, because you are have to keep meters decimal, but here is a digit is there, it has to be come forward, so 2.15, it means 2.15 meters. I will give another example more clearly understand, because this conversion is not so easy. So you have to understand how I am changing, because if the number is increasing, the decimal part is a little bit confusing. So to avoid the confusion, I would like to give you another example. I will give you 3,156 grams into kilograms. So start with the 6. So grams 6, 5, 1 and 3. Okay, 356 is filled. But you have to convert to kilograms. But already kilograms there is the number. So after the number only you have to keep the decimal. So keep the decimal. So 3.1556 kilograms equal to 3,156 grams. So in such a way you can convert kilograms, kilometers, kiloliters into grams, liters and meters, deciliters and meters and grams. So you can convert any higher value to the lower value to the higher value. The simple way is that where you are starting, that you have to keep remember, and only one digit has to be established in each line, and then you can fill that decimals or the numbers. So I hope that I'm clear about these values. I would like to give you one more example and I will complete. For example, 36 centimeters. You are supposed to convert into the meters. 36 centimeters. So let us take that 36 centimeters. So 76 deci 3. And there is no other number is there at the meters. So you can put decimal here. If the number is there, you have to keep the number, then only you have to keep the decimal. Suppose this is the 536 centimeters, then 5.36. If only 36 decimals, 36 value centimeters, then you have to keep only decimal 36. If it is 1536 centimeters, has to be converted into the meters. So 1536 means 5 and 1, and you have to keep it at the meters, meter decimal. So it is 15.36. So where you have to keep the decimal, that is very important, and keep the decimal. If the numbers are there, higher are the low values, then you have to keep the after the numbers only you have to keep the decimal. Then only the value will be accurate. Thank you.